FaheemShaheen English Practice. Welcome to my channel. How to remember English words. Sometimes I forget words when I try to speak English and it's make me feel nervous. This happens because I don't use those words often in real conversation. To fix this, I practice speaking English every day even if I am alone. I also try to use new words in my own sentences to remember them better. When I forget a word, I stay calm and explain what I mean using simple English. Thinking in English instead of my native language helps a lot. With practice and patience, I am slowly getting better at speaking without forgetting words. That's all for today. Keep practicing and you will speak English confidently in no time. Hope you like this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Like and comment and subscribe our channel.